Hi class, Brooke Coffee, your instructor for Anatomy and Physiology 1. I wanted to get in touch with you real quick and let you know that Unit 1 is coming to a close on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. That's Module 1, Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology, all three of those chapters. And as I reviewed the grades, I found that some of you are doing really well and diving in, and I can also tell because I've gotten texts from some of you, several of you actually asking questions, and I'm always happy to get your texts. If you look right here, View Course and Institution Tools, when you click that, you can open your Connect course for this class, and that's what I want to review really quickly in this announcement. So from your course, when you go into Chapter 1 assignment, I noticed several students have opened the assignment. Notice it's a 20-point assignment here, but haven't made any progress on it. Excuse me. I know it can be a little bit overwhelming. It says estimated an hour and a half, 50 concepts, and that doesn't mean necessarily 50 questions. So when you open this assignment, I know it can be overwhelming to try to read the whole chapter and then go back and do these. And some of you have a lot of constraints at home. So if that's you, I'm talking to you. If you open it, felt overwhelmed, didn't know what to do, click on Start Questions instead of Start Reading. Make progress by completing the concepts. Once you complete these, 100% will go in the grade book. If you don't get them done by Sunday at 11:59, whatever percent you completed is what's going to go in the grade book. It says, what is the definition of CARTI? Rib, wall, helmet, heart. I know the answer is heart. I'm really confident, so I'm going to say highly confident. It says I am correct. Next question. Select all that apply. Most of the terminology used in anatomy and physiology originated from which two languages? Okay, so I'm not 100% sure about that. I believe it's Latin, and I don't know for sure what the other is. So I'm going to click on reading. It's going to take me to the right page. It has that first answer highlighted. And then it's going to take me very close to the answer. So I'm just going to look until I find it. And here's some highlighted information. Originated from Greek and Latin. So I'm going to click to questions. I'm going to click Greek and Latin and say I'm highly confident. Go to the next question. So it's got 2/2 of concepts completed out of 50. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is a couple of reasons, actually. So the first thing is I want you to see how these completion works. I want you to know that you can click on reading and it will highlight the answer for you. And then also, I want you to understand that it can be a simplified process. And so when you're doing this, you can go straight to the questions, make sure you complete those. And then as you encounter other assignments, go back into the book and review these concepts. So I'm going to go ahead and exit this assignment. And then I'm going to show you one other thing. When you're looking at your student view, when you've gone into your course shell and you clicked View Books and Course Tools, I'll put it on Student Preview. Okay, so Book and Course Tools. You click on Connect. It's going to take you, you might have to click Connect again. It's going to take you to this page. And so let's close Module 1. So this is what you're going to be looking at. If you look down this left sidebar and you click on under here, Resources, Anatomy and Physiology Revealed, that's going to take you to the images that are going to link up with your lab content. So when I go to module 1, body orientation lab, when you're looking at the body orientation lab and the lab quiz, you can use this feature, the Anatomy and Physiology Revealed tool. You can select a module, body orientation. You can select a topic, body position, planes, directional terms. I would highly recommend working with these directional terms: body position, regions, cavities. So let's go to directional terms, and we want to see the directional terms here. So it's going to show you images that match up exactly or very closely with what's on your lab assignment and lab quiz content. Hopefully that's going to be helpful for you also. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Text message is best and fastest at 606-271-8750. And then I'll get back with you throughout the day. That's usually a good method of contact up until about 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. And make sure you identify yourself. Let me know who you are, what your question is specifically, so that I can help you as well as possible.